Meet my friend, Laika. And Green Hills. Super excited na rin ako ma-meet siya kasi that friend is from Baguio. Sobrang hindi mag-match-match yung schedule namin. Kaya ngayon, waiting for our friend. Laika Kamdas, where are you? Oh, sobrang hirap mag-schedule ng ng meet-up with friends as an adult. Yung mga natutuloy na lang ngayon is yung mga biglaan or yung parang mga 2 to 3 months in advance plinano. Ayun na siya! Hi! Ayun na siya! Hello! Wait, hello like that. Like that.
Oh, tas ko naman oh. Not too much. Sarap? No? Sarap?
Totoro. Early birthday celebration. Yay! Next week. I'm turning 34 next week. So, ipa ko sa kanya mamaya. Yay! Bastos ka! Ano yung sinasabit mo sa phone ko? Ha? Jutes ba to?
It's the width daw, not the length.
Ah, it's the width, not the length. Bastos! Ganda-gandang babae. Tapos sabihan ako titi. Oh my God. Ala. Going to try artichoke for the first time. Artichoke. Underwhelming. Kamusta?
It's an acquired taste and I haven't acquired it yet.
Eating shrimp. Actually, this is my third plate. Naka-eat a lot of sushi. So here's the thing. Pagdating sa pagkain, nakakalimutan namin palagi mag-take ng pictures or video. Lumalamon muna kami. Tapos maalala na lang namin, wala nang laman yung plates namin. Wow! Nala. Wow! Wow! It has my face on it. Feel guilty kasi nag-abs day ako today. Tapos, I'm just eating. So, sayang yung workout ko kasi ikakain ko lang. I'll get miso soup to get our 5th plate. And should I get dessert? Okay. Oh, they have Greek salad. I want some Greek salad. Punta na tayo sa Candy Lash to meet Ding and Miho. Alam mo, may bayad yung street parking dito. 50 pesos. Pero pag di kasi nagbayad, habulin ka ng mga nagbabantay. So, better to pay na lang. Medyo sinerte nga ako kasi nahanap kong parking. Medyo malapit sa pupuntahan ko. Tsaka same lang naman. Pag pumunta ka ng Walter Mart, tapos nag-parking ka doon, 50 pesos din, mahigit. Tapos, maglalakad ka pa papunta dito. Eto, parang a few minutes na lang. I'm so tired. Kasi bigat ang bag ko. I have my laptop, tas my makeup and stuff kasi I still need to do some work so I can focus on my vacation. Ako lang ba natatakot tumawid dito sa Manila? I'm back. Mamaya may mga friends na ako pupunta din dito.
Ano pa pag-on?
Ako, mani-pede muna. Sir,
Hello! Girls,
we're done! We're gonna have lunch sa Little Tokyo. We're here in Makati. Tapos, we're trying out ukay kasi tomorrow is Ding's birthday. Tapos, we're trying to find clothes for her birthday.
I don't have to sew.
Yeah, kasi if we don't find clothes for Ding, gagawa lang siya. It's gonna take another 8 hours of her life. Eh kung binili niya na lang, di ba? Magkano lang? 185. Ayan. Anong mahal yun na yung presyo ng ng fabric? Anong mahal?
I can make this for 1/3 of the price.
What the f***? Ayan o, that's so pride. Sobrang pride.
Ayan, pang bading na bading.
Bading na bading. Bading na bading.
Oh my God, hindi naman ako ng damit.
Suotin mo ba? Laban mo pa? Look what I found. Look what we found. Cute. May konting mancha lang sa dito sa may area. Oh. Wow!
Kasi malaki kasi may baby.
Wow, how did you know?
Pervert.
I like boobies. I like boobies. That trickle, trickle, trickle. It shows.
Need mo to, Leah, si Mama Mary. Bila ka ta, 150 each lang.
Mama, I need Mama Mary in my life.
Alam mo,
Yeah. Alin? Ay, that's cute.
yeah, Fendi.
Okay, judge the Fendi. This one, the silver one. Oh. Is it real? Parang hindi. Parang, I don't know.
Honestly, I have no idea. I follow this guy sa TikTok. Parang siyang leather guy. Pero pag ganyan kasi, magkamumena sa stores na ganito eh.
But angels!
Where? Why the fuck? What angels?
I don't know. It looks funny.
Tingnan mo yung socks ko. Magkaiba.
Oh, you're so, you're so artsy.
Siguro sa quality na sanay sila. Alam ko. Yung problem. Kasi rough. Tapos sabi nila, Maek!
Kamusta? Kamusta?
Diba? You're not finding good to me. It's harder than finding good steak or lobster. Pero it's like oyster. There's like, you know, the pressure that mas matamis siya. Oh, that's mas like butter. Parang Naman, but a lot. Ayun na yata. Here you go.
So much.
Welcome.
My God.
Bye. Sobrang bilis niya mag-grocery. Now I'm gonna go home. I have some stuff to do. Yes, I'm super late. I'm going to Ding's birthday party. And I'm very, very late kasi nga, the theme is Pride! And I am the most beige, black, and white person you will ever meet kasi wala ako ibang color. Lahat tinry ko naman. Like, I'm so worried. Black and white pa rin yung naging damit ko. Pero, I really tried. Sana doon pa sila. Ayoko, natatakot ako mag-chat kasi 2 hours late na ako. It's my party. I arrived here almost 10 p.m. I'm only 12 minutes late. The party only starts pag nandito na yung birthday girl. So, I'm only 12 minutes late. Wow, so blooming. Girl, it sounds Hindi kita marinig!
Oo! Patay na yung aso namin!
Ano?
Ano na?
Ha? Ano? Ano ba nangyari? Congrats! Ano nangyari? Ha?
Yung aso namin! Thank you!
Ang galing! Nice! Yay! We're waiting for the others kasi nauna ako. Medyo late sila. Tada! Here at the airport. Tapos, before I go to my next gate, I'm gonna try this lottery area thingy. My friends have tried this nung last visit namin dito. Some of them won. Me personally, I have bad luck. So, palagi ako natatalo. Or this time, I'm gonna try... Oh shit! Someone won! Oh, they're so happy. I'm gonna try to. Tignan ako manalo ako. So, ang gagawin mo is just click the English. You need the QR first. I'm gonna go to 7-Eleven, tapos get some snacks. Then I'll go to the departure hall kasi I need to transfer flights. Here sa grocery. I-park muna natin itong bag natin dito. Let's try things. Classic rice bowl. I'll get one of these. Tapos, to be safe, I got water first. Later sa bag ko. Tapos, I'm gonna get maybe some tea egg or some other snacks. Kasi wala na ulit dito. Guys, we're just waiting for our first one. The first to get it out. This looks appetizing. Everything else was super good. Pero kasi, doesn't look good kasi soggy yung rice. Or, masarap. Don't judge a book by its cover. Parang Chinese chicken rice, pero nakaulog siya. Burrito. Punta na ako sa departure. We made it!
Geometry at grade 4.
Korean. But first, I need to find food. I'm starving. And I need money. Should I buy at Olivia? All the plane rides here, I just slept. That's my layover. I slept for an hour, I think. Just 1 hour. I slept the entire time. Wore the super comfy jacket. Covered my head, had a face mask on, an eye mask. Tapos pinasok ko yung arms ko within the hole. Tapos like, slept like a baby. Not really. Sakit ng ulo ko kanina. Mga tao dito. Titignan ako kasi this thing. So, Taiwan pa lang titignan ako ng mga tao. This is so convenient, so I don't care much. Every time I go to a new country, I always check out their convenience stores. I found it. It's called See You. Nice to see you. So we're gonna look for an onigiri because I'm really craving some rice. Favorite ko talaga onigiri. Wow. Parang wala na mga onigiri. But they have a lot of sausages. Mom! I'm gonna set this farm egg. Sura niya. It looks so nice. Pero yung color niya, oh. Expectation versus reality. Masarap yun. Masarap. Slaps. I love Spam. Mas malaki yung rice kasi sa Spam. Kimbap. Top. Spicy. Feels like Subic. Wow. 500 yung isang gano'n. Okay. Got the infamous tangerine juice. Oh my god, ang sarap. Ang tamis. So healthy. Let's try their top. Oh, this looks super spicy. Spicy.
Last pork in one.
Sarap. Garlic niya. I love it. Ko as a person is when the food arrives, I always want to eat before taking a photo. So I have to hold myself back kasi meron pa pala mga side dishes and I want to take nice photos of the food before I eat it. We were eating at this Korean restaurant. They serve sashimi and we were having such a hard time ordering. Guys, I want to show you something. It looks so suspicious. Suspicious. Oh my god, it's so slimy. Slimy. Done eating. Medyo naging weird yung dinner kasi ano, it's not their fault. Sobrang sarap naman nung sashimi kasi it's so fresh, tapos di siya malansa, tapos ano, the price was super cheap then compared sa mga sashimi place in Japan or the Philippines. Siguro naging problem ko lang is it's raw. I was hoping to eat something cooked. Pero hindi ko kasi maintindihan yung menu. Tapos the translator app wasn't working. So, it was a skill issue on my side. Sarap siya actually. I would recommend it to people na mahilig sa sashimi. Gusto ko lang talaga ng lutong ulam. Kasi 5 days na ako hindi kumakain ng lutong ulam. Problem ko dito for uphill. Iniwanan na nila ako. I have to hurry. Look, it looks like a calamansi. Then it grows into a huge orange. Calamansi yata. So pretty. Done. Next, we're going to the cliff. It's a UNESCO heritage site, so we have to see it. Kasi minsan lang kami nasa Jeju and it's super hard to get here. Bibilan ko yung sister. She loves tea snacks. Bought quite a bit. Snacks. Itsura nila. Ito yung chocolate. Ito yung wafers. Okay. Sold out na to. They're really into skincare. I got the free face mask for buying tea. Lots of tea. Pinaka-favorite ko when visiting another country is the makeup stores. We're here at Olive Young. Tapos try natin makahanap ng mga stuff. I love stores. I love makeup. I love clothes. Wow, what's this? I'll just focus on buying stuff kasi I can't talk and shop at the same time. I'm not built like that. Bye! Got it! Turns out, if it's not available behind the counter or the item thing, you just ask them to still give it to you. So nice! Got it! Look! This is Ariana Grande. Oh, may candy. Na-realize ko, naiwanan ko yung payong dun sa cliff or sa, sa taxi. I forgot my umbrella. Oh no, I don't know where I lost it. Actually, good thing it's not raining. To try black pork and marinated raw crab. Bakit hindi bumaba? I'm so hungry. Help. Send food. Gutom na ako. As my wise niece once said, sobrang gutom na ako. Mamatay na ako sa gutom. On the black pork. We found the marinated raw crab. Finally, nakakain ko na siya. And also the black pork. Tapos ano na siya, nakapackage siya, so it's not that expensive. Finally, we meet Mr. Marinated Raw Crab. Look! Wow! So good. This is the best marinated. Well, this is the first marinated crab I tried. They're super good. It's so worth it. Oh my god, I'm gonna dream about this Sangyup/marinated place. I know I'm gonna dream about it and create it after I go back home. On a different level. Naubos na. I forgot to take a picture. Nakain ko na. Guys, if you go up to Jeju, eat here. It's the best. They have the best marinated raw crab and pork. Beef pork samgyeopsal. Black pork samgyeopsal. I'm gonna cry! Yun yung mga experiences na you already know you're gonna cry once you come back to your country kasi you can't eat it. Guys, we found more marinated raw crab. I'm so excited. This time we're trying the female one. Female marinated soy crab. I'm so excited. You know, it's female. Yeah, it is. Okay. I think I'm about to reach my limit. Mainly because I'm eating 3 whole crabs by myself. This is dangerous. It's so good. I think I'm a bit dizzy. This is our last day in Jeju. I had a lot of fun. Marinated raw crab. Sobrang sarap niya. Kaso, konti lang kainin nyo. Kasi ako, I went overboard yesterday. Nagkaroon ako ng high blood spike. I ate like 3 pieces ng marinated raw crabs. Like 3 entire crab. Tapos, nahilo ako. Tapos, uminit yung katawan ko. Tapos, I fell asleep half the day dahil dun. Pero it's so good. Don't eat too much. We have to go to the airport. Let's go to Taiwan, spend some time in Taiwan kasi may playover. Then, go back to the Philippines. See you guys. Bye-bye, Jeju!